up, guys? Welcome back to another day on the vlog. We're here at MegaMart grocery shopping. Hello, where's your manners? Yeah, so I'm in the snack aisle picking up some snacks. So this is what the aisle looks like, you know, full of snacks, full of varieties. Ooh, the cassava. Do they have the? No, which one was the one that I wanted? Was it the plantain chips?
Extra crunchy.
No, it was the breadfruit chips I said I wanted to try, babe.
That's an extra crunchy, you know, extra crunchy.
Ah, let me try this for today. People, time hot here. Don't make nobody tell the difference. Time in Jamaica right now, time is hot. Very, very hot. Like so hot, you can't even sleep good at night time hot. Do they have the peanuts, the sweet one? The package one, the sunshine snacks. What's the flavors? This one's at the top right here. Here you go. Give me the onion one, please. Please, darling. Thanks. Wow. Baby, no want nothing? You don't want nothing?
No, yes.
Oh, this is not his aisle. He wants the pastries. Alright. Okay, Kanakan? Okay, Kanakan? Okay, Kanakan? Okay, Kanakan? Yeah, you need glass. Oh, these ones are pretty. You ever want me to design things, fun things? Oh, these are nice and elegant. Oh, and they're plastic. You wouldn't even know. Joel, Jesus, Lord of His mercy. You like that set here, babe? Be honest.
Alright, nice.
No, it's not. I said be honest. Very nice. Liar, man. Speaking of liars. Anyways, people, that's what we're doing right now. Ooh, the gold. Oh my God, that's nice. $20? Not bad.
I want to start consuming.
Nice. Anyway. Me not feel bad with no golden spoon. You guys, this guy's convinced I'm pregnant. Who told him? Who told him? Who lied to him? Alright, people, I'm gonna go get what we need to get some come outside people them store. Cause we have to get things to eat and then go back home. Yeah? So we come back later, okay? What? I just bucked up upon these wines. Like, they're 10% alcohol. Yeah? 10%? Where is it? Oh, wow, I'm blind. 10% alcohol, but this is the flavors. Aki, ew, soursop, maybe. Noni, anybody know what noni be? I don't know what name noni. Pineapple, ginger, sorrel, passion fruit, honey orange, pimento berry, and sugar cane. We did talk about pineapple already? Yeah, we talked about pineapple already. Okay.
This is the shit.
That's the shit.
Wine, a sweet wine.
He's been talking about this wine for so long. How many percentage is this? Yes, it does. The fudge. Ooh, 11.5. Okay, for a wine? For a wine? Babe, look at all these flavors. Aki.
No, that's the one that tastes horrible.
Aki wine? But I bet you it might taste good. What is noni?
Yeah, noni, man, the noni, it's something we tell you good for it. But then put it in a bag and make it sweat and get it. It still stink, but it's good for diabetes and everything.
Really?
Noni, it smells stink though when you have to make it.
The passion fruit might taste good.
Yeah.
The sorrel, of course.
So something like this.
And there's honey orange.
Which one you say you want?
I'm not ready for try them yet, but I think we'll go carry two, go up.
I test them.
Yeah, cause that's nice.
I'm ready.
That's nice.
I can go and beat this one over there, man.
Yeah. Who said I wanted to settle on this as my wine? Let me look on the other. No, make it stay so.
No, do it alright. Safer. She's so spot. What is?
Beringer. This is a good wine. This is a good wine. Okay, guys. Yeah, that was it. I just wanted to show you guys the wine. I mean, yeah. I'll be back. Huh?
I'll show them a fully outfit now. I mean, I want to brag. Oh my blade.
Yes, I'm on my
Yeah, nah. So well, my bad.
Look what y'all do, please.
Big drive. No, no. Top drive.
Give me that.
This now, what them call avocado, you know?
Avocado.
Jamaican pear.
How much for it? $379.21 a pound or per kilogram.
I know some guys up here for 150.
So why bother?
This is not right now. I'm going to continue right now. No way? No way, this one. Take it. It's a nice one. What you want to do right now when I want to take that one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Yeah, I'm
$3, yo, avocados are there. I don't know why. No, I mean like in at the grocery store. I like for we over there.
You don't know the nutritional value.
Anyways, this is my favorite part. Hi. Oh. Cherry crumble. Babe, this look nice. Cherry crumble, but that wow, $867. No sir, thanks. I'll pass. Bye. Cherry. Their cupcakes are so good. Their pastries are just so good. Ooh, cookies. I like Black Forest.
Yeah. Big.
Told you they are big. And is it cherry?
It looks like it.
Yeah. Damn, they went up in price, yo.
Pineapple 1,000
No man, it's nice. I didn't see it. Ooh, careful. I don't see the Black Forest. They have Black Forest cupcakes, so I think I'll just get that. Jesus. $8. $8. 800.
You feel feet night, you can take one or two.
Me and Zoel.
For fuel.
Alright, come. I feel knocking over. Like I'm about to knock something over in this place. I don't know where you get the handicap character from, you know.
No, two of them on the big one to carry. This more, yeah?
You can't push a cart like a civilized person.
Not give it to a touch. That's what I meant.
No, I mean like you can't stand up behind it and push it straight.
Why you think that?
You don't like being behind?
Yeah, you alone. Behind now. Iron.
Why? Iron good.
All iron.
Sorry for you. Dee 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 doo dee dee. people later. Go finish up and come out to people them plates. Yeah? Not now going in a MegaMart. MegaMart, not now going anywhere. Babe, no. Why would I wanted that from here? No. We still have walking to the data waiting now? You not go over to your sis?
I think I talk right at the
What?
I think that's right at the
Alright, take it. Take it, see, I'll go walk with it. Okay, no problem, take it. Take it. People later, I'm discombobulation because I'm hot. I'm just hot.
You're not hot, you're not cool, man.
You're not cool.
Cool, you're not cool. Please, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. I know I did not finish off yesterday's vlog.
Yo! I ain't your box them already.
Anyways, so yeah, as I said, I'm sorry I never come on yesterday and finished the vlog. But yeah, we did go to MegaMart. People, let me tell you something about Jamaica right now. Jamaica?
You never vlog the MegaMart?
No, I did, but I never vlog when I come back in. Like, at daytime, I'm miserable. Because time, like, me know some people out there talk about time art or whatever. But like, no, time is very, very hot right now. Everybody just miserable in the daytime because you're stuck. Like, no matter where you go, you can't go round and back, and it's cool for like 5 minutes, but then when you get adapted to it, it just like me just beat up. Me beat maybe about 3 or 4 times yesterday. 3 or 4 times yesterday. Like in the evening time, I think I beat about 3 times, and it was like the last one was for me to be able to go sleep. Okay, and when me and babe come out of the shower and we sit down, we're like, whoa, it's so cool. But I was like, watch it go in like 5 minutes, and then so said, so done. Once the water dry off our body, hot again. So yeah, time just hot be like, it's really, really hot. Like really, 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 like it's scorching, uncomfortable hot. It's just hot. Like my tan is not from the sun, it's from the heat. Like it's hot, bruh. Hot. Okay, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to go anywhere except on a beach or something. Maybe I that me need for though. Maybe I that me need for though. Maybe we need to go to the beach, because this I eat you don't want to stay inside the house, but you don't want to go outside neither. So you turn fool. You turn fool. But anyways, we are here, we are washing. We are washing today. This is what the people man them do every day. They just come out and they wash. This is all that they do, okay, you guys? This is all that they do. But yeah, we don't look for husband material. Find a man who can wash. Find a man who can wash, cook, clean. No, but a good suppose the washing machine broke down. What we not go do?
Just like that one that broke down.
Yeah, but what we not go do? You're going to need somebody who know for wash, yeah? Other than yourself. You don't want to be the only one who know for
dry on them something with the foreign people. Wash
anyhow, guys, that we are doing right now. We are wash.
Yeah.
It's like it's like almost 8 o'clock, if not.
Oh, 3/4 chicken. Yeah.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock right now. 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 7 o'clock right now, so we are wash and all these things. Ooh, my mother-in-law sent me these juices from England, but babe swears say a fame.
What are you drink? Drink? I can't drink some of that.
I want me drink.
Why would you drink that? You feel a certain kind of way like want some juice.
She sent these from England to my UK people. If you ever want to send me anything, send me them here. Yeah, orange and passion fruit. J2O.
Straight out of UK.
So good. This is so good.
Tastes good for chewing.
This is so good.
Nah.
Do you allow me to wear that?
I was thinking about that. What is that?
Chamax glad. Who you look for? Oh, from me day here. But when I'm not day here, you're not alright.
If you're alright, then I
Yeah, look things. Don't come fruit. show off for the vlog. Move, man. Look. People, I don't know how I go manage with them, you know? I don't know how I go manage with them. As a God, wanna pray for me? Pray for me. I don't know how I go do it. How you make the scroop sound? How you do it? How you make the scroop?
No, I can't plan it.
What?
I'm not even do it good yet. So I make this soak quickly, you know, babe. That's how the my sheets, so the water, dirt soak out, and it's easier for you to wash. So try to wash that now, you no problem. Make it soak quickly and wet. So I'm going to talk about that on camera on there.
Anyways, people, later I soon come back here.
One day, one line, you know what I done it. I like that shit. Clean, huh? I don't want to take around for you.
So we're done wash.
Clean the room now.
Done wash, we reach back in the house. Keep your hands to yourself, no brother? Joel, stop. Behave yourself. Behave yourself, mister. You don't know English?
Spanish.
Un momento, por favor. What? What that say? What that say? Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm inside back with the fan. Yeah. I don't run about them, really. No, really, be honest. You're so good, boy. Anyways, guys, so yeah, as I said, we reached back in. I don't know what I got up fit today. Yeah, but I will try to vlog today. Even though we don't do anything when we're at home except eat, watch TV, sleep, bathe. Sleep, bathe, sleep, bathe, sleep, bathe, eat, sleep, bathe, and repeat till the night time and we do our final sleep. So, yeah. But yeah, I'll come back if anything. Okay, toodaloo. Oh, we went to
wholesale versus Superman.
Okay, alright, come, go in our kitchen.
Same big bag with more things.
Yesterday we filled this bag at MegaMart for almost $6,000. No, $6,000. Call it.
More things. We get.
What I know?
We get.
Oh yeah, I'll put it here.
Onion, scallion, thyme, babes, or eggplant. I mind them to walk at the lady in the car. You know, say from one day she not say nothing. And I say, yo, got them to walk there. For even scallion we get. And I said, look, you want right plan, we get banana. She give me this to me for free. I eat half piece already, because she not sell it. So I said, well, you have to give me a piece. I'm looking at the fridge.
Tell them what you're taking out.
Oh, it's a tropical rhythms. Yeah, fruit juice blended, yeah, man thing. Irish, I got for bed, you know, Irish already. So yeah, mixed parts.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken, breast now, we got all these things.
The other flavor, pineapple.
This day one for breakfast is what you call liver. Chicken liver, yeah, good source of protein, highest source of protein, one of. And last but not least,
why orange though?
bag juice. Them have orange and red. I'm thinking orange better than red.
Okay.
So that's a deal.
Yay! And how much you spent?
I thought that this was 2,000 something. That's the wholesale part alone. That's how I spent at wholesale, 1,000 something.
So yeah, all of this you guys came up to about 2,000 something. So call it like $20. Yeah?
Versus the Superman and more thing.
I'm gonna consume the smelling.
Refreshing.
Can't
That's
believe
why I
it.
squeeze them.
Yeah, idiot.
Don't forget to take them out for rest night. My bag is just getting and breathe. First thing I'm going to put up there. Liver. It is refreshing now. I just give me a couple of liver fan, that's why I'm not buying the wood. I'm going to take it. 2 bananas and I'm good. I'm going to do it right. So I'm going to get a green plant, a rye plant, and I have green plant already.
Okay guys, I'm going back into the fan. Hi. Today not too hot.
Today not like yesterday. This is a problem. I cut them something on the
Babe's gonna make my
liver.
Yeah, because I just feel for. A beef or chicken?
Beef liver, I think. I mean, it's beef liver. High source of protein. Very high source of protein. Scary and time that I can see.
Oh yes, yes, parrots, we know.
Yeah, man, I get scared and I'm mad. Liver can't put it up.
Key.
So yeah, people, as I know, liver man is when they don't cut it. Some people cut it different. Some kind of times we get them a square cut, right? Yeah. And we season already have the thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, pepper, then you have crushed pimento, you know? Yeah, and then I add Maggi powder season, browning, you know the thing.
The traveler remains silent and still.
So, here again people, this is it, you know. First part of the method, the cooking method, I'm actually showing the preparation method. So now the cooking method. So, pot, little oil, make it hot little, let's grease the pot, showing everything, seasoning, everything. Another option, you can use sugar and the oil for browning or use the browning actually. I was going to see me use the browning. Yes. This one liver, and the go. In the meantime, it's the water we set to put on the flour. Because I need flour at the same time. I see the flour and see the salt. Prepare it for the banana, Irish,
Condition your mind to translate every event
man,
into
green
positive
banana,
empowering.
right
You will banish worry forever. You will stop being
So yeah, go on. Things are. Oh,
Okay, I understand.
showing about it. Sleeping as usual. Sleeping. sweeted. See that? You have an Irish banana. Dumpling, Google like on cut our dumpling, so and that is a rifer. Look rich. That's rich. That's rich. Real waiter style, you know? 2 plate. What do you know about that? Could I be a waiter, you know?
We're definitely rooting for you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Not morning anymore.
I made
It's
a something salad with a duck blood vinaigrette.
tongue sugar plum.
I really like the vinaigrette. It's really light. Something that the duck blood should.
Ooh, people.
With the mushroom
If
greens.
me a breed, no some my pity them
I
go
love
back
plant.
planting.
Beautifully
So I got
dressed
beer
salad
plant
is,
salad.
the balance.
As
You
I
got
hear.
it.
Okay.
But